Hi, welcome to our video tutorial on how to use PowerPoint. To start, begin by locating PowerPoint on your computer and opening the application. Once you have the PowerPoint application open, the first step will be choosing a template. It is important to choose a template that appropriately fits your presentation. You can also choose a blank presentation and design it as you please. Your design will help you to get your point across and engage with your audience. With the subject you will be presenting on, create a title on the first slide, and if you'd like, you can add your name or organization's name underneath. If you don't want to include this, you can delete an item by clicking on it and pressing delete. It is important to limit the text on the introduction slide to keep it simple and visually appealing. You may consider adding an image if it fits your theme. To add an image, use the toolbar on the home page and select the picture feature. You can choose to select a picture from a photo browser or from a file. This will open a window where you can select a picture that has been previously saved to your computer. Once you find the image, double-click it and it will be uploaded to the selected slide. As you can see, inserting this image covered our title, but this can be fixed by selecting the text box while holding down the Control key on your keyboard and selecting the option Bring to Front. From here, you can then format to the size desired and change the location by dragging the image on the slide. To edit your text box, click on the text to highlight the box. Then double-click on the edge of the box to open the Formatting tab. From here, you can change the color of the text box and the text itself. To change the font and size, highlight the text and then using the toolbar, select your desired font and size, similar to when typing a document. To resize the text box, simply drag the white squares that line the box. You can then drag the text box to where you would like it on the slide. Once you've finished your introduction slide, you can add onto the PowerPoint by using the Home toolbar and clicking the New Slide. If your PowerPoint doesn't already have a design theme and you'd like to add one, you can click on the Design tab. From there, you can pick a layout that best matches your needs. Using the top toolbar again, select the Transitions tab. From here, you can view all the options for transitions by clicking on the downward arrow to expand the display box. Once you find a transition that you like, simply click once on it to apply it to the slide. You can change which direction the transition movement comes from by clicking on the Effect Options button and selecting the direction. If you would like the same transition for every slide, you can click Apply to All. Otherwise, you can individually select the transition for each slide. You can also add a sound effect to follow with the slide transition by selecting a sound from the drop-down menu. You can also choose if you would like the transition to automatically play when reaching a slide or to set it to a timer. To view a transition you created, select the Preview button on the far left side. To add animations, select the Animations tab from the toolbar. Similar to transitions, you can view all animation options by clicking on the downward arrow to expand the display box. Again, you can change the direction of the animation by clicking on the Effect Options and selecting a direction. To apply an animation, first select the highlighted desired text box by clicking on it and then click on your desired animation. You can have a different animation for each text box or image on the slide, and you can change the order by opening the animation pane. Animations are automatically set to display after clicking, but you can change how they are set to display by selecting the drop-down menu next to the start arrow. To view the animations you created, select the Preview button on the far left side. To ensure you create a good PowerPoint, here are a few tips to consider. Make sure slides are easy to read and follow along. Use bullet points when possible. Follow the 6x6 rule, which is to have no more than 6 bullet points with 6 words per bullet. When presenting, don't read verbatim from the slides. Engage with the audience and have more information prepared than what they see on the slide. Be sure to avoid plagiarism or using any copyrighted material without citing proper sources. And remember to save your work often and when starting something new.